Welcome to Luxembourg, a country in Europe that is smaller than the state of Rhode Island, and yet one of the richest in the entire world. For the next few days, we're completely winging our adventure here. We're leaving it up to fate for the next 24 hours. Today starts our journey here in Luxembourg, and for the next 48 hours, we'll be exploring as much of this microstate as we can. We've already caught our bus here into Old Town, and fun fact, the buses and public transportation here in Luxembourg are all free, both for residents and for visitors like us. As for now, we're gonna go explore Old Town.
After exploring Old Town for a little bit,
which only took about 20 minutes,
we even saw Deborah's Christmas tree.
Not only do they have some stunning fall colors right now, but they also have their Christmas tree up.
And now we made our way to the box where we can go down into the cave of the old castle that overlooks the city. I'm excited to see them. That was my one thing I wanted to see.
After our sewer incident the other day, I really didn't feel like going into some more caves. Oh well.
Let's just hope there's not a million spiders in these ones.
You look a little wet.
Yeah, it just started raining.
Not just raining, but storming. Bye, Tyler. The Bach casemates in Luxembourg are a series of extensive cave systems built in the 18th century. Which way are you going?
This way.
Okay. With incredible viewpoints and unique finds scattered throughout the caves. Tyler, where are you going?
I honestly don't know.
So Tyler and I entered over there in that cave, and then we started going down the stairs, and then we came out on this side somewhere. So that means we went all the way down and over.
It was actually pretty fun. It was like a scavenger hunt.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I had fun.
For only €8, you can guide yourself on a complete tour of the complex cave system. So pretty.
It is so pretty.
That's scary.
That is very scary.
Watch me get stuck again. Ugh.
You made it. First time. Good job, Deborah.
And it stopped raining.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna try to go find some local Luxembourg foods and then
Make our way back home.
yeah. After stopping at a super fancy cafe and warming up with some nice hot chocolate and coffee, we made our way to Raarup, which is supposed to have the best macarons in the entire city. We got 3 of the most expensive macarons we've ever bought. They were actually only €3 each, but still. Salted caramel, pistachio, and coffee. Is it actually good?
Yeah, these are really fresh, man. This one's salted caramel.
Worth the $3?
Yeah.
I chose pistachio, so that's the one I'm gonna try. Yeah, that's worth €3. So good. So we actually ended up coming back to our Airbnb to cook some dinner. We came back because today's actually Halloween. We know our videos are super behind, but we wanted to at least do kind of something to celebrate. So we got this plate full of local desserts. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a plate full of local candies because they actually don't celebrate Halloween here. They celebrate Tromlik, and it's all about beets instead of pumpkins. So we're gonna just have a chill night, hang out, relax, have some goodies, and a nice dinner. We should watch a Halloween movie. What movie?
I don't know, whatever Halloween movies on Netflix.
Ooh, also, look how good this looks. Oh, yum.
We got a Juby Dubois Halloween safety talk? I think so. Is he a good?
Go.
Okay, is it a good view?
Not really.
Oh. I feel like this will be good to know if we need to evacuate. A little freaky.
Yeah. They're just smaller and smaller.
Not sure how much I like this.
You can step if you want.
It's also getting darker, I want to point out.
It gets lighter right here.
Oh my gosh, how far did we go? You made it.
First, tell them where that goes.
This, I think, goes all the way right back up. All it did was take us down like a little tunnel.
Thanks, Tyler.
You're welcome. It was fun.
Back up we go. I saw you. You failed.
I did.
Did you see this?
What?
The do not cross sign is down.
What?
The do not cross sign.
Oh. Deborah, go shoot it.
Tyler, what'd you say?
There's two cannons. One that way and one this way.
Whoa. You're in just heaven, aren't you? Not gonna lie, I feel super fancy walking around with like nice clothes, nice that we packed. Fancy macaroons. Pretty cool.